Bonjour, welcome to our city, Ville de Pomme, in the year 2150. I'm the mayor of the city. Did you know that our city name means City of Apples in French? We are located in Quebec, Canada, and currently we have 24,000 people of all different cultures living here. Right now we are having our 63rd annual Apple Fest where people come from all around the world to enjoy our world famous Apple products and tourist attractions. Our residents and tourists love all there is to do in the mountains, river, and lake. There is so much to see and do in Ville de Pomme.
Our city was created after an avalanche in 2050 destroyed the ski resort on Mount Original. Civil engineers and residents, along with environmental engineers, wanted to create a waste-free city using circular economy principles. So they went to work planning. First, we had to clean up the debris and landfill garbage in an organized way. So, Eco Nation was created. It is our facility that sorts all waste by materials so it can be remanufactured into other products and construction materials for our city. Eco Nation also evolved into our waste to energy and biomass energy facility so that any waste that can't be recycled is turned into energy.
There are many things that make our city unique, but one of them is our golf course, which has colorful sand traps because the sand is actually created from recycled colored glass. All of the glass waste is separated by color and polarized into sand, and anything you can use sand for color can be used in. In Ville de Pomme, the cola is used for our sand traps and mixed in with our roads and hydroponic gardens.
Besides golfing, there are a lot of things to do in our city, such as fishing, hiking, biking, and other water recreation. Our city provides a lot of jobs from our bakery and restaurants to engineering jobs that keep our city functioning.
Ville de Pomme provides many services for our residents and tourists. We have a hospital, fire station, and a police station. Ville de Pomme has an elementary school, high school, and a college called Mont Original University that provides higher education for any career path. We have a very well-known engineering program that helps work with our Eco Nation facility to keep up to date with our innovative recycled and waste-free solutions, along with creating new items for recycled waste. I graduated from Mount Original and now I'm the city civil engineer.
One of the circular economy principles is to keep products and material in use. Our city does this by keeping recycled glass in use for our golf course. Our residents also use refillable bottles and reusable bags at our store. For example, we keep glass bottles in use by having customers bring their bottles to the store to be refilled with milk. Other recyclable materials and waste are made into new construction materials such as insulation from plastic, paper, and other fibers for all of our buildings. Did you know that 6,000 PET bottles are used in the making of insulation for one single family home? Houses are constructed from bricks that were created from recycled plastics, which are more durable than concrete bricks.
Packaging from products was the biggest problem for waste in the past, from cardboard boxes to plastic coverings and inserts. So we designed out waste. Ville de Pomme only uses compostable plant-based packaging in all of our stores and restaurants, and there is no single-use plastics in our city. This is so that the packaging waste can be composted back into the environment or burned for fuel in our biomass energy facility.
Today, cities all around send their recyclables to Eco Nation on the Hyperloop train and the freight cars so we can remanufacture these wastes. There is no shortage of plastic, glass, and other waste in the surrounding areas. Our products have outlasted traditional materials over the years and helps our economy in the city. Residents are able to have lower taxes and great services because of the added money in our economy from making these construction materials. We have made a big business out of the circular economy that benefits our city and others in the surrounding area.
Our city uses biomass energy to supply power throughout our city. We are able to take compost and other organic materials like wood, paper, and manure and burn it for energy. The smoke released from the burning is filtered for pollutants before it is released into the atmosphere. Environmental engineers like Kaylee monitor the air around the city for carbon and nitrogen and will allow certain amounts to be released as this adds to the natural carbon and nitrogen cycles. Plants and trees, including our apple orchard, need this for growth.
We get our energy from a mix of wind power, solar power, waste to energy, and biomass. Our windmills are found on top of the mountains and collect the energy in giant storage batteries, which is then used in our microgrids when needed. Our solar panel help light up our street and outdoor lighting around the city. It saves the city money and is a green resource of energy. Speaking of green, we have eco-friendly electric buses that help people get around the city. And for longer trips, we have the Hyperloop train that stops in our city and can go wherever you want in the U.S. quickly as it travels up to 720 miles per hour using magnets.
Pomme is a model waste-free city that shares our ideas with cities around the world. While recycling is costly in a linear economy, it is cost-effective in our circular economy because we make products from those waste instead of filling up landfills. We have a very efficient sorting system at EcoNation that uses sensors on the conveyor belts to quickly sort all the different types of materials. For example, different plastics and glass have different melting points, so they need to be sorted appropriately for remanufacturing. Our citizens are educated about the proper sorting of their waste for our collection days throughout the city, and they understand the principles of a circular economy thanks to our little robot friends named Carl, which stand for Clean and Recycle Litterbot.
Yes, we love Carl. They're all over the city, helping to pick up and sort waste. They talk to people they see and remind them of our waste-free principles. They educate visitors about the history and evolution of our city to a completely waste-free circular economy. And they are just so cute. They definitely add to the experience when visiting our city as well as keep our streets clean. Carl was developed at our university by students in the electrical, mechanical, and software engineering programs. It just goes to show that collaboration and innovation are key to success. We hope you enjoy Ville Pomme.